Hi there, my name is Mark Lester A. Agbon and I live in Philippines. I studied in Davao City National High School. The title of the story is The Tale of Two Brothers. Content: to solve the problem, don't jealous anyone. Characters: Antu, the eldest brother; Bata, the younger brother; Wife, the partner of Antu; Ra, God. Nine gods. Bata prayed for her. The settings of the story is Egypt, 3000 BCE, the Valley of Acacia. The conflict of the story tells about that he killed their brother. The plot. Introduction. The young man is excellent worker. Rising action. I shall go to the Valley of Acacia. Climax. He killed his wife. Falling action. He met the nine gods. Ending. She was like goddess and Bata loved her very much. My personal reaction. My personal reaction is I will not jealous, I will not kill someone, and I give a long patience to other people. Especially, I will not kill my wife someday. And like Anto, he killed her wife.